Ahoy everyone, and welcome to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, where the Connecticut River meets Long Island Sound. My name is Samantha, and this may be a very familiar sight because I think we can all agree that most of our first times ever driving a boat was behind the wheel of a 13 Supersport Boston Whaler. I am so glad to have all of you aboard this classic today, who has a 40 horsepower Merc outboard engine here, and she's got a range of about 63 miles. She holds 6.5 gallons of fuel, and she's got this great bench seating right here, making it really easy for you and your guests to relax and have a chat and enjoy a day out on the water. She's got stainless steel rails right here and storage just in front of the 8-inch balcony. As many of you know, Boston Whalers are perfect for a day out on the water with friends, fishing, and fun. If you're interested in looking at this boat and others like it, join us here in Westbrook at 627 Boston Post Road. Again, from MarineMax, my name is Samantha Barlow, wishing you happy boating!